welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have the new Glam and Glitz Yeah Baby collection. So these are just 4 of their colors. They do have many more, but I just got these swatch sticks and we're just gonna go ahead and swatch them. If you guys want a coupon code for any of the Madam Glams, you guys know Madam Glam has great quality in their products and they're very super pigmented. One coat most of them and you're done. They seem a little bit more translucent, so you might need more than one depending on the look you want. But yeah, if you want the coupon code, I will leave that in the description box down below. So let's just go ahead and get started with these swatches. The first color here is Undercover. And it looks like an olive green, but it looks kind of like jelly type. I don't know if these are gonna be like a jelly consistency, but it's very cute, very different. It does look like a see-through olive green. The next color we are gonna swatch is Goldfinger, I guess, like Gold Digger. And this collection, you guys, was inspired by the Austin Powers movie, hence the Oh Yeah Baby name for the collection. So this is the yellow, and this yellow looks like a jelly color as well. And they're very nice. I do like the fact that they are jelly. But I didn't know that when I ordered them, because they send you a picture of all the colors, but you never know if they're gonna be like super glittery or chromy or metallic-y or, you know, pigmented. I don't know. Some of the colors you just never know, so when they come, I'm very shocked. Oh, I'm sorry. This one is called... This one's called Oh Behave. And this collection launches September 1st. And that's the color. It is translucent. Looks like a brownish red, more on the brown tone. We'll see what it looks like with the second coat. The last color is called Top Secret. And it's just like a grayish or a blackish jelly color. Okay, so let's go with the second coat of Undercover. Goldfinger. It's Goldmember. It's Goldmember. You remember that? Who watched this movie? Comment down below if you remember watching the Austin Powers movie with Beyonce in it. Okay, so then we're gonna go and do Oh Behave. Honestly, I think I picked these colors because of their names more this time. This is an infamous saying in the movie. I kind of like that. It's really cool. Maybe like this would be good for an accent nail on a burgundy-ish set. And then we're gonna do, where's the last one? Okay, Top Secret. Do the second coat of Top Secret. I would say this is like a more jelly gray than a jelly black. Then again, this is what it would look like if you mix clear and black. Okay, so that's what that looks like. And then we're gonna cure these. Okay, my Madam Glam No Wipe top is all busted, but this is my favorite one. So this is the one we're gonna use to top coat it. making sure I'm in frame here for y'all. You can tell this one bumped into Oh Behave. Yeah, you see? I touched it right there. You can see a little bit came off. Cute. All right, we're gonna cure those so they're done. So that is what they look like. I have them next to their color here. What do you guys think? Very cute, right? Love them. As always, I love their bottles. And that is all for this video, guys. Go ahead and check them out. The website will be in the description box down below as well, and as well as the coupon code, you guys. If you do have any questions, go ahead and DM me on Instagram. Follow me on there, Laura_Couture_nails. And I also have a Facebook page, same thing there, Laura Couture Nails. And of course, my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. I am also on TikTok, you guys. I forget the handle for that. I forget the thing for that because it's so new. But yeah, that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys so much. And until next time, hope you enjoyed the video. God bless you guys. Bye-bye.